AWS offers a number of certifications which demonstrate increasing levels of proficiency in architecting, developing, and operating systems in AWS. AWS divides these certifications into a number of categories. The first category is the foundational level. Here, there is a single certification available that demonstrates a base level of understanding about the tools and services AWS offers. The next category is the associate level certification. Intended as the next rung on the AWS certification ladder, a variety of certifications are available at the associate level. If you are aiming your career trajectory towards architecture, the Solutions Architect certification is what you would want to pursue. If you intend on a career more on the developer side of DevOps, the Certified Developer role is on offer. If you aspire to be a full-stack DevOps engineer with a slight bias towards operations, you'll want to pursue the SysOps Administrator certification. At the top of the AWS certification ladder are the professional-level certifications. After attaining an associate-level certification, you become eligible to pursue the more advanced and rigorous professional-level certifications. Certifications available at the professional level include Solutions Architect for folks who are focused on design and DevOps Engineer for people pursuing full-stack DevOps engineering roles. AWS also offers a number of specialty certifications. If your area of specialty is networking, there is an Advanced Networking certification available. If you focus on developing Alexa skills, there is an Alexa Skill Builder certification. The Data Analytics certification is for people whose world is consumed by analytics and the AWS services that can be used across all stages of the data management lifecycle. For people who focus on designing, implementing, and operating databases, there is a database-specific certification. People who spend hours building, training, and deploying machine learning models will be interested in the machine learning specialization. For information security professionals, there is a security specialization that focuses on methods for securing an AWS environment. You've decided that you want to show the world you have the technical skills to operate and manage IT services running in AWS. Becoming an AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate is a great place to start. In order to earn the certification, you'll have to demonstrate proficiency in how to deploy a variety of different services, full lifecycle operational considerations, and day-to-day management of systems running on AWS. Regardless of if you are a systems administrator with years of on-premise experience or an early career aspiring AWS DevOps engineer, the body of knowledge covered in the SysOps Administrator Associate exam is foundational for efficiently operating an AWS environment.